Hi everyone, always live in love. It's vlog time once again, and we're here to share some of the most amazing skincare products by Aurora Fern. So stay tuned. Let me start off by saying thank you to Ms. Ellen Aquino, one of the distributors of Fern. She contacted me personally and asked me to do some real honest product reviews about Fern. Hope you like this one. The first on the list is their Day Moisture and Protection Cream. I just really love this, you guys. The blend of these three amazing ingredients: stabilized vitamin C, star flower extract, and SPF 15. I've personally been wanting to try retinol for a long time, but I just feel that it can be too much for my skin. I worry that it might irritate me, so I've decided to stick to vitamin C. I just really think vitamin C is very important, as it's very essential to how the skin rejuvenates and exfoliates. I think it's also a very intelligent way to blend this with a star flower extract, as it helps restore the skin. The SPF 15 is also perfect for me. I've tried it before, you guys. A high amount of sunscreen can be again too much for someone like me who has oily skin and who lives in a tropical country. So let's take a look at it inside. See how it blends naturally on your skin? That's another problem for me, you guys. I find it always very difficult to find a natural shade for me. My skin can be really too fair, so like what I've said before in the previous vlogs, I find it difficult to find something natural. So I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. The next on the list is their Night Nourishment and Repair Cream. One of my favorite, you guys. Of course, if there's a day cream, there should also be a night cream. I honestly think that a night cream is more important, as it really helps rejuvenate the skin. Just like their day cream, it has this three amazing blend of ingredients: stabilized vitamin C, star flower extract, and to make it more powerful, they have added vitamin B3 niacinamide. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, this one is colorless, like in its gel cream form, so I feel like the skin easily absorbs it. What I do is that I leave it on for the entire night, and the next day I wake up with baby plump skin. Let me know what you think, you guys. I think you love this one. Like that one, please let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. There are more products to try, you guys. I'm going to do this tonight. In fact, let's unbox them together. They have this revitalizing 4-in-1 serum. And the bottom is just amazing, you guys. They also have their eye cream that I actually really need the most because I've been working a lot from home. So join me again next week, you guys, as I do another product reviews for them. Happy weekend. Bye bye.